Did you know a 200-watt portable solar panel can power your adventures off-grid without ever touching a wall outlet again? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 200-watt portable solar panel kits that actually perform. Welcome to the channel. Check out the links below to grab yours easily. The number 5 product on our list is PPQ 200-watt solar panel kit. What if one sleek briefcase could unlock unlimited power wherever you roam? The PPQ 200-watt solar panel kit does exactly that, earning its place in the top 5 200-watt portable solar panel kit this year with a stunning 24% conversion efficiency and a military-grade 7-layer structure. It doesn't just work, it performs beautifully. Whether you're charging a Jackery, Bluetti, or your phone on the trail, this kit's wide compatibility and smart chip optimization mean faster charging, less stress, and full control. Its stylish folding design isn't just for looks, it's practical, lightweight, and rugged. I tested this kit in real-world off-grid scenarios, and it passed with flying colors. If you want a dependable all-in-one solution, this is it. Ideal for RVs, campers, and serious solar users, just not for ultralight travelers. Number 4 is BALDR 200-watt solar panel kit. What if a 9-pound solar panel could power your weekend getaway, your emergency backup, and your favorite devices, all without hassle? The BALDR 200-watt solar panel kit proves that lightweight doesn't mean less powerful. Ranked confidently in our top 5 200-watt portable solar panel kit list, this foldable powerhouse delivers up to 23.5% efficiency and directly charges your smartphone, tablet, or GPS with built-in USB-C and USB-A ports. Whether you're pairing it with a Jackery EcoFlow or its own BALDR station, its 6-in-1 cable makes connections frustration-free. It's tested to survive wind, dirt, and rain with an IP65 rating, though do keep the junction box dry. If you want dependable solar without bulk, this is a smart travel-friendly choice, not for large setups, but perfect for explorers, campers, and weekend warriors. The third one on our list is ZOUPW 200-watt panel kit. Imagine losing power mid-adventure. No signal, no recharge, no light. Now imagine the ZOUP 200-watt panel kit turning that fear into confidence. Ranking proudly in our top 5 200-watt portable solar panel kit, this foldable solar beast harnesses 23.5% efficiency from A+ monocrystalline cells and auto-reconnects the moment sunlight returns. Whether you're powering up a Jackery EcoFlow or charging your phone, its USB-A, Type-C, and MC4 ports got you covered. The ETFE coating, IP67 waterproofing, and magnetic handle show it's made for rugged conditions. At nearly 19 pounds, it's not built for ultralight trekking, but it's a game changer for car campers and RV users. We recommend it for those who value reliable power over long hikes. Honest, durable, and smartly designed, it's a peace of mind investment worth every dollar. On number 2 is MARBERO 200-watt panel kit. Ever wondered if a solar panel can truly perform even when the sun plays hide and seek? The MARBERO 200-watt panel kit doesn't just promise, it delivers, making its mark in the top 5 200-watt portable solar panel kit list this year. Designed to remain efficient even under clouds, it generates up to 140 watt on overcast days and up to 200 watt in direct light. The monocrystalline silicon construction, paired with PET coating and a smart IC chip, ensures safe and efficient charging while protecting your devices. Its IP68 waterproof fabric makes it ready for the outdoors, though the control box needs care around moisture. With 4 output cables supporting top solar generators, it solves compatibility headaches instantly. For travelers, campers, and off-grid users craving flexible power and durability, this is a smart, reliable investment that blends performance with peace of mind. Now moving to the last one is GRECELL 200-watt panel kit. What if your next outdoor trip never had to worry about running out of power? The GRECELL 200-watt panel kit makes that freedom possible, earning its spot in the top 5 200-watt portable solar panel kit this year. With an impressive 23.5% efficiency from monocrystalline silicon and a durable 6-layer ETFE build, this kit converts sunlight into energy with unmatched consistency, even outperforming many competing models. It's wrapped in rugged 840D Oxford cloth and designed to handle splashes, heat, and dust with ease, delivering serious peace of mind during camping, RVing, or emergency. The 4-in-1 cable works with 95% of power stations, while built-in kickstands make setup effortless effortless and fast. If you value performance, simplicity, and real-world reliability, this solar panel kit is a smart, sturdy companion worth trusting when you need power off-grid. Among them, the GRECELL 200-watt panel kit wins for its exceptional efficiency, rugged durability, and real-world outdoor performance. Highly recommended. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 200-watt portable solar panel kit. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Bye.